Hello everyone, welcome along to Rathbone Manor once again, where this week I've been to a proper car boot sale. This is everything I purchased, so let's get started and take a look at this little fellow right here. As you all must know by now, Mrs Rathbone likes her animal planters, and I picked this one up for 50p, and she's quite pleased with it. She says it's got a sweet little face, and then I put it on the kitchen window in there, and she says, well, actually it looks as dopey as you do. So I thought, well, that's nice, isn't it? So there we go, so she's quite pleased with that. And so for the first of today's tools is this rather nice little Kamasa stubby ratcheting screwdriver. It's a little bit of rocket science going on here really, because you can see it's got onboard tool storage. But at the moment, I've got no idea how to work it, to be honest with you, how to get the tools out of here. It's probably obvious, but because we seem to have a little catch thing going on here and a little arrow, I haven't a clue how the thing works, to be honest with you. Whether you're supposed to be able to turn it round. Oh, wait a minute, here we go. Oh, it does go around then, okay. So, how do you get the tools out of it then? Oh, I see. Oh, right, okay. Got it. Okay, so here comes the first tool. Oh, they're double-sided. Okay. Righty-ho. And they, how do they hold in there then? Right, so there appears to be a little ball detent there somehow. Oh, there we go. Oh, I see how it works. Okay, right in. So there's today's rocket science nicely sorted out. Put the little cap back in, which stops the tools falling out. Well, that was easy then, wasn't it? So that's quite a nice little, probably making a nice little EDC wrench actually. You can lock it so it doesn't turn. Well, you've got yeah, okay, that's cool then. Cost me £1. So yeah, I thought I'd have that. I've been looking for sort of this style of screwdriver for some time, but you know, with the rocket science going on just here, I think we finally sussed it out. Okay, so what do we have right here then? This is a Elliot Lucas style pair of pliers, which I got from my favourite tool stall. In fact, I've got this and a little slide rule, which we'll look at in a moment or two, for £1 for the two of them. Looking at the markings here, we have G Plumpton. It's not obvious because it's not been stamped properly, but it's G Plumpton and Co, as you can see, and their little logo, and made in England. We've got some buttons style cutters just here. It doesn't appear to be in too bad a condition actually, just a little bit of light rust on there. What the cutters like. I think we ought to give them a go. What do you think, guys? Okay then, 7020, let's try some of this in the main jaws. Yeah, I've got to pull it off, but it does cut. What about in the oh yeah, cuts nicely there. What have we got here then, guys? Got some of this stuff going on right here. This is a lot thicker. Right, I think we've got 2 or 3 ends on this for some reason or another. Right, let's give it a go. Oh yeah, cuts that quite nicely. That's good. But will it fit in the... no, it won't quite fit in the button style cutters. Alrighty then, what's next to take a look at? The slide rule that I purchased with those pliers. This one happens to be made in the USA. Lawrence Engineering Services, Wabash, Indiana, I'll take it that must be. Patent pending, and we have an 8B. For my research, it looks like this was made somewhere between 1935 and 1938. It's quite a nice one, probably made from boxwood. I think you've got also a little bit of how to use it maybe on here. I think they came with a proper booklet But this is quite a nice little little thing, isn't it? I like my slide rules. Don't know how to use them, but I do like them, I must admit. This is quite a nice one. It's also, I believe, let's pull this out again. Yeah, there we go. V. Pierce. So this must be the original owner of this slide rule back in the day. So that's quite interesting then. It's quite a nice one. I say it must be made of boxwood, I think. I do like my slide rules. I've got a bit of a collection going on now. So what do you think of that, guys? I got this yet another dental tool here with two other tools from a lady who apparently was selling her late father's tools. What we have here is, hopefully you can make it out here, it's actually Cash and Sons, England, and in the handle here somewhere, oh here we go, a 105, number 105. This looks very similar to the tool that I picked up the other week at the car boot sale, this one here, which I believe may have been modified for some reason or another, because it's certainly nothing like this, is it? So I think these are probably for getting hold of you know, roots, broken roots or whatever from inside the gums. And this actually brings my collection of dental tools to 3 now. In this state I wouldn't fancy it in my mouth, pulling bits and pieces out of my gums, but I'm sure it was quite good back in the day. This has got the straight handles, as you can see, as opposed to the curved ones of the other, so I suppose you could use it for either jaw really, but they are quite long jaws on these forceps, aren't they? And again they've got the little curved bits in there. I don't know if you can see that, guys, but they are curved in there for getting hold of roots, I'd imagine. Screwed together, got some nice knurling on the handles here. Have to stick this on my wire wheel, I guess, and clean it all up a little bit. So yeah, another dental tool then. Let's move along to today's star buys. So what do we have here then? Obviously a footprint wrench, but I've got this from the same lady. Both these and the dental forceps, which you just looked at, came from the same lady, and I paid £2 for the 3 tools. And I definitely picked this up because I know exactly what this is. This is a really old Abingdon wrench, because it's got the all the relevant markings. As you can see here, it's got the little Abingdon bulldog just there, King Dick Abingdon, and this marking here, if I'm not mistaken, was used from around about 1885 for a little while, and it is a number 0, a teeny tiny little adjustable spanner. I already have one of these in my collection that I purchased some years ago. Here it is. I've cleaned this one up a little bit by the looks of it. You see that it's the same thing. This one's going to need taking apart and cleaning properly because it's got a little bit of rust all over it. But other than that, it's exactly the same tool, as you can see. It's a little bit stiff to wind it in, but you can wind it out easily enough, so obviously I'm going to have to de-rust the thread in there, but that's quite a nice little thing, isn't it? Another footprint wrench. Well, actually this is a another press pin wrench, as you can see. Quick and easy to adjust, thusly. But this is actually marked Domino. We have made in England there. Moving along to the handle, we have a very faint Domino marking just there. You can just about make it out. Made in England. I've got another one of these little fellas with some much clearer markings. So there we go. You can see the Domino there. Made in England there. Domino just there, and then we've got the patent number. This one was actually owned by a company, GLCC, by the looks of it, 1939. I don't know whether that's the year or what, but yeah. So that's, as I say, exactly the same tool, but you can see the markings a whole lot clearer. And so there we go, guys. That's today's tool haul from the car boot sale. As I say, my favourites are the footprint wrench, or Domino, same company, the little King Dick Abingdon there. And then we had a little fun with the rocket science and how to get the little driver bits out of here. Didn't know how to do that. No, I hadn't tried it until we had a look at it on camera. But I quite like that, so I've been thinking about getting one of those for a little while. So there we go, for £1, not bad at all. Let me know which is your favourite amongst all this lot down in the comments down below. You can also follow me on Instagram, and I will see you here in the next video, whatever that might be, in a little while, guys. So thanks for popping round to Rathbone Manor and taking a look at all these tools, and I will catch you later. Thanks for watching.